Echo in Zion. Frequency calling on. So rise, carry on. Jah light, we belong. Softly flows, carrying whispers through the breeze, songs of old in harmonies, footsteps walking on sacred ground. Every silence holds a sound. If you listen deep inside, you can feel the turning tide. Golden light to the olive trees, dancing slow with the melodies. Every breath like a sacred flame, calling softly, Johnny. Close your eyes, let the current lead. Feel the truth in every sea. Every echo plants a need for a love that will be free. Soul echo in Zion frequency, flowing through eternal seas. Every note brings you to your knees in a calm divine release. Soul echo, let your spirit fly past the clouds in the endless sky. In the sound there's no goodbye, only truth that never dies. Drifting deeper in a lucid dream, it seems every vision starts to blend, where beginnings have no end. Voices calling from afar, guiding you to who you are. Through the valleys, through the flame, every soul is just the same. Bassline rolling like distant thunder, tearing all illusions under, breaking walls you will so tight, opening your inner side. Jah, Jah, hear the call, through the rising to the fall. In the silence lies it all. Answer now, don't let it stall. Echo. Fade and return. Every lesson you must learn. Through the fire you will burn into light. You will turn. Rise above, sink below, follow it, the rivers flow. Let the sacred feeling grow, more than words will ever show. Soul echo in Zion frequencies, whispering ancient prophecies. Every tone unlocks the keys to the soul's deep mystery. Soul echoes deeper you dive. Feel the truth come alive. In the sound you will survive. In this space you truly thrive. Zion. Zion, Zion calling me. Set me free. Heartbeat in the sound. No more lost, now found. Lift me, from the ground, turn it all around. Now you stand where the light begins, free from all your hidden sins. Every shadow fades away in the glow of endless day. You become the sound you hear. No more doubt, no more fear. Every echo crystal clear, showing that the path is near. Through the past and future streams, all dissolves into a dream. In this flow you'll finally see you are pure infinity. Soul echoes in Zion frequencies, guide you through eternities. Every pulse sets your mind at ease, like a warm eternal breeze. Soul echoes, never let go. Let it guide you soft and slow. In the depths your spirit grows, more than anyone can know. Frequency, through it all, Jah light always near. In the sound crystal clear, drift away endlessly. In Zion frequency. Ocean, 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 devotion, rhythm, rhythm, slow motion, drift away, no emotion, transcend into devotion. Waves rolling with a heavy bass, like a heartbeat time can't trace. Form of echoes kiss the shore, calling you to something more. Midnight water, black and deep, where the silent secrets sleep. Step inside, don't be afraid. Let the rhythm guide your way. Salt and air in every breath, life and dream and gentle death. Every drop of memory flowing through eternity. Close your eyes, hear the tide, let it pull you deep inside. No more need, no more fight, only sound and endless night. Ocean, carried by a cosmic motion, every wave a soft devotion, dissolving all your old emotion. Self-begun identity, in the flow you'll finally see you are one with infinity. Submerged in a liquid tone, where the self is overthrown. Echo currents twist and glide, taking you on an